welcome back to our channel. Hi Malika, say hi to everyone. There's baby. So we're going on the road. As you guys can see, my hair is a mess. I've combed it in and I don't even know how long. I'm just, just going through the motions, not taking care of myself and all that. So you know what? Besides say, take care of your time, take care of yourself. So the we're on the road. Yeah. I'm going to Sally's beauty store. I think that's the name of it. And I'm going to see if I can get something to perm my hair. I know it's winter coming and perm my hair is not a good thing, but I can't comb my head. And right now, it frustrates me. So I just perm it out, and when winter comes, I will be braiding it. So yeah. For persons like myself with afro hair, these kinky hair, in Grand Prairie, I know about 2 stores or 4 stores, 2 to 4 stores that sell products for our kind of hair. So yeah, come with me. $7.
Sure. Sorry, I'm just a steep. The frozen stiff and BTZ is actually what we recommend to like barrel racers and stuff for riding.
Oh really?
To keep their hair in place, and it keeps their hair in place. One of the girls here rides, and
Yeah.
this is what she uses. Okay, so it's right in place. So is that like almost a bit too? That's actually probably if your hair doesn't hold it for a while, I will use it.
So guys, I am looking for perm. I see the perms, they're cream, but I'm not sure what I'm going to get as yet.
No, you could go to the Rock on. Sorry, it's a.
Edge control spray. It's not bad. This that castor oil you guys can get. Price is not bad. Alright, so these are the and ear cream.
definitely thank you guys so
Just a clip of behind the scenes of one of our live.
and the support that you guys continue to show us. We feel it, we appreciate it, and we definitely, we definitely welcome it. In wrapping up this live, guys, you don't know anything. I just want to wish everybody the best for the upcoming week. Hope everybody have a positive interaction this week, and everything that you guys decide to do this week will be positive, and you guys will just get like success on top of success on top of success, and no negative news this week, and everybody's waiting on IRCC will get approved. Your email is coming soon. You guys are gonna get that feeling. All right, guys. Be safe. Take care of yourself. On the know the thing, guys. Take care of the mental health, because your mental health is just as good as what your physical health. We say it every week. You're not supposed to can just know me, I say, right? So yeah, that's it. Another live. Make sure that before you head out, definitely just give us a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this content. And if it is that you like, the Canadian experience and like these kind of videos, consider subscribing to the Andersons and also subscribe to the Night Them. We want to encourage the Night Them to just continue doing your channel as well. Don't give up. You guys have started. False start and then start again. We don't have a false start again. We just have to continue and we just have to go straight and we just have to continue. Alright? Definitely have a good Sunday night, everybody. Have a good week and bless up on yourself. Little more.
As you can see, guys, it didn't turn out too bad. Yeah, as you can see in the earlier part of the video that I use Soft and Beautiful ear cream, the little kit thing. I paid like $7.88 for it. Not too bad. I also purchased this foaming wrap lotion. Yeah, this is about the same price as the ear cream. And I also use this wrap because I wanted a silk wrap, and I couldn't, they didn't have it. So I purchased this to wrap the ear to keep it, down like this, and it worked. So yeah. Soon I forgot to touch it up, but so you go. So I realized in GP, since I've been here 2 years now, I finally could spot them. I know that there's like 4 places that I know so far. I think there's some little cribs and corners of other stuff that you can get. You have stores that cater to persons that are blacks. Although in a predominantly white place, you have stores that sell stuff for black hair. So kind of wrong time, yeah, basically promote here in a winter basically winter now. But I'm gonna comb the ear, so I'm just I'm not gonna wear too hard, so I'm gonna alright. The first year that I was here, I had perm hair. I came here with braids, but had perm hair. My hair was permed out and it went totally dry. I don't know what happened. I person says it's the water. My hair just went dry. It was like so dry, and scalp, like dandruff and all of that for the first few months that I was here. I couldn't find it. I don't know the locations for the stores, so that was rough. I started to braid my hair. I found this, I think it's Cameroon. The lady came from and she braided my hair, which I like that. It was really nice. I paid $100 last year for it, or the year before. Yes, I paid $100 for braiding my hair. But now I have a little Jamaican friend. She have a store, one little spot. She braid hair, starting from $150. So so when winter really kick in, my ear I go braid. You can't stand this. My ear I go braid. As I say, salads have it, other places have it. If you can get the stuff from anywhere, order them online, you can go ahead and order them as well. So when you get here, there are places you can get your stuff, right? So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to the end, because it's not really a vlog. It's just a little capture, look at thing showing yo, not to our area now. Yeah, good girl. I try to start out herself. Come out a little slumber when me ready for the road again. Anyways, guys, give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching the video to the end. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully on a good vlog this time around. Show how outside stay in the winter. Because winter comes snowfall today. If you're seeing this video, snow is on the ground right now. Yes, in November. Snow is on the ground and all the kind of cold. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video.